Grab it. Yes.
Skunk? What did she say?
Skunk.
The daddy came.
Yeah, the daddy came.
Don't go away.
Made the bad fox go away.
Fox.
Yes.
Fox.
The fox is.
So you understand this language?
Kind of. I've read the book 3 times. Well, I don't know.
You're a good uncle. Very proud of you. You're a good aunt.
She tried to steal the spotlight.
Even though you're an uncle, you're still a little bit of a devil.
I'm just saying. That's why she tackled Zell. And she accidentally crushed her finger in the
Frog?
I didn't.
Where's the frog?
If you did.
She
Where's the
ran up
frog?
to me and I picked her up.
No, that was
Right here.
Pretend this
No,
was
next
Zell,
page.
and she just got her finger.
Right there.
Zell is
Frog.